Good morning, everyone. I found a tuning fork combination this morning, which was for a combination of gallbladder energy and liver energy. Now, here it is. So, liver energy. So, on the 5-element chart, the organs on the inside are the yin organs. The organs on the outside are the yang organs. The yin organs, and this is just a little joke, but the yin organs are the feminine, they're solid, and they work all the time. So guess what the yang ones are? The yang organs are the organs that are hollow, and they work some of the time. They would be the masculine organs. So, only joking. But we've got the yin organs and the yang organs. And the flower essence combo that I wanted to do was rock water, which is a bark flower. Rock water back in the 1700s or 1800s when Dr. Bach started developing the flower essence combination. Actually, I'm wearing green. I never wear green. So I've got a double green tuning fork combo. Yesterday we were doing about the heart energy, and heart energy is the green chakra. So, interesting, just coinkydinkies. Okay, but basically, liver energy is the internal, and that's about internalized rage, anger, frustration, vengefulness, self-righteous indignation, transformation, responsibility, unhappiness or happiness, irritability, hostility, contentment, or lack thereof. So that's the liver. And the gallbladder is the externalized. It's the externalized emotion, so the stuff that people feel. So it can be love, anger, helplessness, impatience, despair, self-righteous indignation again, reaching out with love. These are all too much or too little, when they're showing up. Feeling motivated or assertive, judgmental, adoring, boredom, passive, humble, choice and pride. So it's sort of they're the tuning forks that have shown up. The double wood element, so wood. So we're going to do a little combo where I'm going to use the tuning fork combination for these two and see how you feel at the end of it. Back in a sec.